Welcome viewers, welcome back to another video of Here's Help. In today's video I'm going to showcase one of the features of an Android phone which works with the Galaxy smartwatch. And the way it works is you first need to have a phone for which I'll put the list, and on the screen it will be coming on the left, and from the list you have to see whether your mobile is compatible, because the mobile should be S10 series or the Note 10 series and later. So these phones only have the functionality which I'm going to show you. So this is the feature. It's known as Wireless PowerShare. You just have to write down here Wireless PowerShare. You can search it manually, but I think it's going to take time. So you should just press Wireless PowerShare, and then you get the option. You're going to press this, and now you got this. So in order for this to work, of course you need the mobile, which is a newer one, but you also need a 30% battery limit. I have 41 right now, and you need a 30% battery limit. Once it reaches this battery limit, it's gonna stop charging. So just press on, and once you press on, make sure you turn on the screen. You don't want to turn that off. So now there's gonna be blue light flashing behind your phone. So I'm using the S10 Plus here, so it is coming here. If you have the Note 10, it would be somewhere else, or I don't know about them. Maybe they would not have a light, but they will have some kind of indicator on the screen. So here I have a working Galaxy watch, which I'm gonna take out. It has 95, and you just see it was charging. So now I'm just gonna place it carefully. So there's an angle for this. You have to place it right in the middle. Let me see, it's perfect. It's charging and it's 95. And it says there's 8 minutes until the full charge. It also shows the battery percentage for the mobile, which has it, and it's 41%, as I showed you before. So it's just gonna charge that way. This really comes in handy if you just forgot your charging dock, of course, and if you're outside and if you just forgot your charging dock, you can just charge it through your mobile, and it's really convenient. Or even if you're in an emergency situation, or if you're in an office or in your workplace and it just dies out of battery, you don't have the charging dock, it's at home, you charge it through the mobile. And so thank you for watching the video, guys. It's that simple. It's just a small feature which many people do not know. They've seen it in the trailer, but then once the mobile comes in your hand, you just forget all about these features and you get attracted to the other features. It's just as simple. You just pick it up and it stops charging. I'm gonna put it back to the charging dock, and it's charging here. And now it's the blue light again. So I'm just gonna open the mobile again and shut it down. Now it's off. So it's a really simple feature. I hope it helped you, or it will help you in a special situation or in a day-to-day situation if you just forget your watch. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I just thought to share this idea with you because I've been not using this because I just bought the Galaxy watch, but I think it can come in handy in the future. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the feature, just give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm really close to 250, and then we're gonna go to 300. Thanks for watching.